Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter paneer at home. Start by draining and pressing paneer, then marinate cubes in warm spices and a touch of cream. Next, simmer a pureed tomato, ginger, and garlic base until fragrant, then fold in butter and cream for richness. Finish by gently heating paneer in the sauce and garnishing with kasuri methi and cilantro for a balanced, aromatic dish ready to serve. Begin by pressing fresh paneer to achieve a firm yet tender texture suitable for pan frying or simmering. Cut even 1-inch cubes so each piece cooks and absorbs sauce uniformly. A quick soak in warm spiced milk or light cream keeps the paneer soft and prevents it from crumbling when added to the hot gravy. This small step makes a big difference in mouthfeel and presentation on the plate. Cook the gravy low and slow for the best layered flavors, starting with golden onions and aromatic spices to build a deep base. Add pureed roasted tomatoes and reduce until slightly thickened before stirring in butter and a measured splash of cream to create the classic silky texture. Finish by tasting and balancing with salt, a pinch of sugar, and crushed kasuri methi for that signature aroma and rounded flavor profile that pairs well with rice or bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.